Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin today's story, take one quiet moment and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. This channel is built for people who understand history, value, patience, and the hidden power inside small things. If you respect knowledge that grows with time, then this channel is made for you. Now let us begin. There are coins that people spend without thinking, and then there are coins that wait silently for decades, holding stories that only time can unlock. The 1985 P Jefferson Nickel is one of those quiet witnesses of history. Most people remember it as nothing more than a simple 5-cent coin, something that passed through hands, pockets, and registers without a second look. But for those who truly understand coins, age, rarity, and unseen details, this nickel represents something much deeper. In 1985, the world was moving fast. Technology was changing, economies were shifting, and people were focused on the future rather than the small objects they carried every day. In the United States, millions of Jefferson nickels were produced at the Philadelphia Mint that year. They were struck with precision, consistency, and a sense of routine. No one at the time imagined that one day, this exact year and mint mark combination would draw serious attention from collectors, historians, and long-term investors. The Jefferson Nickel itself carries a powerful legacy. Designed to honor Thomas Jefferson, one of the most influential figures in American history, this coin was never meant to be flashy. It was meant to represent stability, democracy, and continuity. The portrait of Jefferson is calm and controlled, not dramatic. That design choice was intentional. It spoke to people who valued structure, patience, and responsibility. These are the same values shared by experienced collectors today. What makes the 1985 P Jefferson Nickel special is not something you can understand in one glance. This is a coin whose importance reveals itself slowly, much like wisdom gained over a lifetime. Many of these nickels were released into circulation, but not all of them were created equal. Differences in striking pressure, metal flow, die condition, and microscopic alignment created variations that only trained eyes can recognize. Over the years, collectors began noticing something unusual. Certain 1985 P nickels displayed characteristics that separated them from ordinary examples. Sharp steps on Monticello, unusual surface textures, exceptional strike clarity. In some cases, subtle mint anomalies that were never officially documented. These differences turned common coins into rare survivors. Men who have spent decades observing markets understand one thing clearly. Rarity is not always planned. Sometimes rarity is accidental. Sometimes it is created by time, neglect, and misunderstanding. The 1985 P Jefferson Nickel falls into that category. While millions were made, very few were preserved in top condition. Even fewer show the exact combination of traits that define elite specimens. Another critical factor is survival rate. Nickels are not treated gently. They circulate heavily. They are exposed to moisture, friction, and careless handling. Most 1985 nickels were worn down, scratched, or damaged long ago. Finding one today that looks untouched with crisp details and original surfaces is increasingly difficult. Collectors who specialize in Jefferson nickels know that condition is everything. A minor difference in surface preservation can separate a coin worth face value from one worth a serious sum. This is where experience matters. Younger collectors often chase trends. Older collectors understand fundamentals. They know that real value is built slowly through scarcity and demand. The Philadelphia Mint did not place a visible mint mark on nickels in 1985, but the P designation is understood through production records. That absence of a mark adds another layer of mystery. It forces collectors to rely on knowledge rather than symbols. This appeals strongly to seasoned numismatists who appreciate subtlety over spectacle As years passed, interest in modern-era coins grew. People began realizing that not only ancient coins hold value. Modern coins, especially those misunderstood or overlooked, can become incredibly significant. The 1985 P Jefferson Nickel entered that conversation quietly, without hype. That quiet entrance is exactly why it gained respect. Auction records, private sales, and collector discussions started highlighting extraordinary examples. Not average circulated nickels, but coins that appeared frozen in time. Coins with razor-sharp details, full steps on Monticello, and surfaces untouched by decades of circulation. These examples were no longer considered common. They became benchmarks. Men in the 55 to 65 age group often appreciate this kind of discovery. It mirrors life experience. What appears ordinary in youth often reveals depth later on. The same is true for this nickel. It waited patiently while the world rushed forward. There's also a psychological factor at play. Coins from the mid-1980s connect directly to memories. Many people watching this video were adults during that time. They worked, raised families, paid bills, and carried coins like this one every day. That personal connection adds emotional value, which is a powerful driver in collecting. The Jefferson nickel design also changed over time, making earlier versions more desirable. Collectors who prefer the classic Monticello reverse see the 1985 P is part of a closing chapter in traditional American coinage. That historical placement matters. Some collectors focus on error varieties associated with this year. Slight off-center strikes, die cracks, doubled features, or unusual planchet behavior. These are not easy to find. Many exist unnoticed in old collections or storage boxes. That possibility fuels interest and long-term demand. Another reason this coin stands out is market behavior. Experienced collectors know that value is not only about rarity, but about confidence. Coins that consistently attract attention over many years build credibility. The 1985 P Jefferson Nickel has shown steady interest, not sudden spikes. This slow, consistent growth is exactly what serious collectors trust. It is important to understand that not every 1985 P nickel is extraordinary. Knowledge separates valuable pieces from ordinary ones. This is why education matters. This channel exists to share that understanding, especially with viewers who respect depth over noise. Collectors nearing retirement age often shift focus from accumulation to preservation. They look for pieces that hold value reliably. Coins like this nickel fit that mindset. They do not scream for attention, but they command respect among those who know. The metal composition, while not precious, plays a role in durability and strike quality. The nickel-copper alloy used during this period allowed for fine detail when conditions were right. When everything aligned perfectly at the mint, the result was exceptional. Time has also thinned the population of high-grade examples. Coins are lost, damaged, or forgotten. This natural reduction increases the importance of survivors. Every year, fewer pristine 1985 P nickels remain. Collectors who discovered this coin early often held onto it quietly. They did not rush to sell. They understood patience. That patience is now being rewarded as demand grows among informed buyers. This is not a coin driven by speculation. It is driven by recognition. Recognition that took decades to form. Recognition built by experienced eyes and steady hands. For viewers who have spent a lifetime understanding value, this story should feel familiar. True worth is not always loud. Sometimes it sits quietly, waiting for the right moment. And now, after decades of circulation, study, and rediscovery, the 1985 P Jefferson Nickel has reached a point where its most exceptional examples are no longer just collectibles. They are assets discussed in serious circles. Today, When everything is revealed and the numbers are finally spoken, the top-tier value associated with this coin reaches an astonishing figure. The 1985 P Jefferson Nickel has been recorded with a value of $1,203 million.